out here. There's a pile of mist.
Why?
What's up, to YouTube? This is Crazy Working Man. I'll come back later to pick that up. And right now I'm scouring my backyard for more crap.
Luna! Yes! Hey, that's my seat. I'm gonna go get it. Luna.
It's fenced off. It's fenced off. That looks like I only missed one pile. Yay! I'm not running. I'm already sore. I'm already sore.
Why?
Because
Hold on to my hand.
just stay in the yard. There's one of the dogs.
Let's go walk around.
That's just pretty much it. So, just a little yard update. I will do cigarette butts later. So, the heck, peace, love, all this red love and work for. Say hi, Lily.